Right, today we're changing the front shocks on this, I would say motorbike, but it's a scrapper, but yeah, we're changing the front shocks. First we got to take off the caliper. Next we have to take off the brake line. Next we have to remove the front wheel. So next we have to take out these two bolts and that top bolt there, and the shock should just fall down. Right then guys, the bolts are taken out and loosened. One thing we have to do is, if you pop that in there, just to open this up and leave the screwdriver in there, because it just makes it easier to slide him out. So if you slide him out, give it a little wiggle and go, out she comes, and that's your fork removed. Right, that's the second one and done. If you can take that one out. There we go. Just slide him down, don't wobble. Just pull down, that's him. And that's the other one out. Right, one's back in. There comes the second one to be slid in. Let's show you how it goes. So if you push it up, it just slides up, up, and up. Safe for that. And if I bring you down a little bit, bring it down a smidge so it's flush, then I'll back up. So a bit more. There. Perfectly flush. And take your screwdrivers out so it clamps it a little. Like so. And there you go. Second fork in. Just got to put the back wheel or front wheel back on now. So now we've got the front wheel back on. Just needs to push this through here. If you whack that through. And it goes through there. Put the bolt back on here. Oh, try again. Put the bolt back in there. And then do it up with a 19. That's nice and tight. So if you turn it this way, give it a little spin, make sure it rotates freely before you go on to the next step. So next step now is putting the brake caliper back on. Alright, the brake caliper is back on. Just need to tighten these two bolts. So you tighten them. That's the caliper done. Next we just gotta attach the brake line back to the fork. And that's the brake line connected up. And that is how you change a set of forks on a 125 motorbike.